I'm going to show you another method on how to change your Facebook password without WhatsApp code. So in case you cannot access the code sent to your WhatsApp, but now you want to change your Facebook password, then this video is for you. With that being said, let's begin. So now to begin, log in to your Facebook account. So after logging to your Facebook account, now click on those three lines in the top right corner. Now scroll down and select Settings. Now here in the settings, you select See More in Account Center. Now here under Account Center, you select Personal Details. Now here under Personal Details, you select Account Ownership and Control. Then you select the second option, Deactivation or Deletion. Now you select your Facebook account. Now here guys, make sure you select Deactivate Account, the very first option. Then you click on Continue here at the bottom. Click on Continue. So now be prompt to enter your Facebook password. But since you want to change your Facebook password, just click on Forgot Password here at the bottom. So now you need to choose how you may want to receive reset code. So I'll choose email. Then click on Continue here at the bottom. So now a 6-digit code has been sent to email address. So go ahead and open the Gmail application to receive that code. So open that email. Now copy that 6-digit code. Then you go back to Facebook. Then you submit that code here. Then you click on Continue. So now you're able to change or reset your Facebook password. So that's how to change Facebook password without WhatsApp code. Now if you find this guide useful, like, share and subscribe. So thank you so much for watching and hope to see you in the next one.